Hey there, engineers! Ever wondered what a day in the life of a SOLIDWORKS design engineer looks like? Let's dive right in and explore this fascinating world. First things first, grabbing a cup of coffee is essential. Once I'm fueled up, it's time to fire up SOLIDWORKS. This powerful CAD software is where all the magic happens. I start by reviewing my project tasks for the day. This could mean anything from creating a new 3D model, tweaking an existing design, or running simulations to test performance. Each task demands a keen eye for detail and a thorough understanding of engineering principles. Now the creation process begins. Using the sketch tools, I draft the initial 2D outline. Then it's all about transforming that flat sketch into a 3D model with extrudes, revolves, and sweeps. It's like sculpting, but with math and precision. Collaboration is key in this role. I frequently sync up with other team members and departments. Whether it's getting feedback from the design team or discussing manufacturability with the production crew, communication ensures that everyone is on the same page. Next up, simulations. This part is crucial. Using SOLIDWORKS simulation tools, I test how my design will hold up under real-world conditions. Stress tests, thermal analysis, and flow simulations help identify potential flaws before we move forward. It's like having a crystal ball for engineering. Once the simulations are done, it's time for revisions. Designs rarely work perfectly on the first go, so iteration is a big part of the job. Making adjustments based on the simulation results and feedback is where the design really starts to come together. Documentation plays a huge role too. Creating detailed drawings and specifications is essential for the manufacturing process. Every dimension, tolerance, and material specification needs to be clearly communicated. Precision here can make or break a project. By the end of the day, I've taken a concept from an idea to a fully fleshed out design ready for prototyping or production. It's a challenging yet incredibly rewarding process. So if you love problem solving, have a knack for detail, and enjoy bringing ideas to life, being a SOLIDWORKS design engineer might just be the perfect fit for you. Thanks for tuning in, and keep designing.